Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my dear students of grade 5? I hope you all will be fine. Here's your teacher, Mrs. Naula, with the subject of English reading and writing. Last time we studied our lesson number 2 from unit 1. The title of the lesson is Whitewater Adventure. Today we are going to do words, meanings and sentences for the same lesson. During our today's online lecture, the students will learn the meanings of words and how to use the words in sentences. Number one word is accomplish. Accomplish means to complete. Accomplish means to complete. And here is a sentence. We will accomplish the project tomorrow. We will accomplish the project tomorrow. Yes, my dear students, you can accomplish or complete your task once you have achieved your goals, right? For example, if you have finished your writing task or any learning assignment within a stipulated period of time, you can claim to have accomplished the given project. Number two word is anxious. Anxious means worried. Anxious means worried, W-O-R-R-I-E-D. And here is a sentence. He seems anxious after losing the match. He seems anxious after losing the match. You can see the picture of a boy. He is not looking very much satisfied or happy. He is rather very gloomy and sad, only because of the fact that he has lost a match, and that's why he is anxious or worried. Number three word is assemble. Assemble means to gather at one place, and here is a sentence. The students assemble in the auditorium. The students assemble in the auditorium. You can see a large number of college and university level students have gathered or assembled in the auditorium to attend their classes. When a lot of people come at one point or at one place, you can say they assemble, means they gather at one place. Number four word is decipher. Decipher means to decode, to translate a very secret or difficult language into an easy understandable wording. And here is a sentence. I can't decipher this secret language. I can't decipher this secret language. You can see on the screen a lot of symbols and signs have been gathered. No one can define, no one can identify, no one can decode unless there will be a special and expert linguist who will be doing his work. Only he will be able to decipher or decode these signs or symbols into an understandable language. Number five word is distracted, means diverted. The boy got distracted because of noise. The boy got distracted because of noise is a sentence for the word distracted, which means diverted. You can see an illustration. A boy is trying to complete his task, but because of an extreme noise and troubling situation in his surrounding area, he is unable to pay full consideration. He seems to get distracted because of the noise in his environment. Number six word is navigate. Navigate means to find direction. Navigate means to find direction. And here is the sentence. I can navigate to find the way back to home. I can navigate to find the way back to home. If you are going to a new place where you have never been earlier, so how can you reach there? Definitely you will try to access the navigation system of your mobile phone. The navigation system will guide you properly. It will set your direction accordingly, and it will give you all the information which can help you reach to a new place. Navigate means to find direction. Number seven word is options, which means choices. C-H-O-I-C-E-S. Choices is the meaning for the word options, and here is the sentence. We have many options to spend the vacation. We have many options to spend the vacation. Options means choices. Now you can see a lot of foods and different meals have been served on the dining table. So you can say a lot of options or choices are available for eating. And the last word is retrace, to find the path, to find the way, to find the path, especially by using the footprints. And here is a sentence. The tourist will retrace their footprints to reach the camp. The tourist will retrace their footprints to reach the camp. You can see footprints on the sandy beach. If someone has lost his way back to home, so how can he find that direction? So one way is that he will use the footprints to get the way. Means he will retrace. He will walk on the same footprints and ultimately he will be successful in reaching the home. So far we have done our words, meanings and sentences from lesson number 2, whose title is Whitewater Adventure. Hopefully you will have done the same work in your notebooks. Please revise all the words, meanings and sentences with complete perfection. All the best wishes. See you next time with a new lesson and activity. Till then, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.